This is a beautiful sounding quality called the Heart of Compassion Infusion. Would you mind speaking a bit on the Heart of Compassion?
With that divine quality, I transmit that quality because see that the heart, when you have a heart of compassion, it's going to improve not just your health, because scientifically it has already, scientists have already proved that when you're more compassionate, it's actually more for your physical, your body actually becomes more healthy in every way. Gives you more peace of mind, like that. But also it actually improves your relationships with others. When you feel compassionate, you have that heart of compassion, you're not quick to judge people. And when you don't judge people, people love you, it creates like you feel this warmth coming off you in your heart, and people really love you. You really make beautiful friends, and you basically it helps you in your life in every way. And when you have that warmth in you.